Hey everyone, so कभी सोचा है what are you really made of? I mean really, deep down. Aaj we're gonna zoom right past the skin and muscles to discover the awesome super teams that build our bodies. We're talking about animal tissues. Chalo, let's dive in.
So let's ask that again. What are you really made of? आप असल में किस चीज से बनाए हैं? You might say, bones, muscles, your heart, and you'd be right. But we're going to go way, way deeper. Down to the microscopic level, we're all built from these amazing, organized groups of cells called tissues.
Okay, first up, let's meet our protective shield, the epithelial tissue. ये हमारी body की first line of defense है. Just think of it like the walls of a fort. It's super strong, protective, and it's the first thing any germs would face. ये tissue बिल्कुल वैसा ही important काम करता है.
And guess what? This tissue is literally everywhere. It forms the outer layer of your skin, which you can see right here as the epidermis. But that's not all. It also lines all the organs and empty spaces, the cavities, inside our body. It's basically a protective cover for everything.
Now, the way these cells are arranged is the real secret to their strength. Just imagine the tiles on a floor, बिल्कुल एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, right? With almost no gaps. That's exactly how these epithelial cells are packed together. It creates this super, super strong barrier.
All right, moving from the shield to the strength, let's meet the action heroes of the body, the muscle tissue. इन्हीं की वजह से ही हम चलते हैं, we run, and even our heart beats. Seriously, every single move you make, big or small, is all thanks to these amazing tissues.
So what's their main job? इनका सबसे important काम है to contract and relax. That's it. To squeeze and then release. It's this one simple action, just repeated over and over again, that creates all the movement in our body. Kinda cool, right?
But here's a fun fact. Not all muscle tissue is the same. There are actually 3 types. First, we have skeletal muscles. These are attached to our bones and let us do things like walk, run, and wave. Then there's the super special cardiac muscle, which is only found in the heart, and its job is to pump blood 24/7. And finally, we have smooth muscles. ये हमारे internal organs जैसे कि stomach में movement control करते हैं, all without us even having to think about it.
Okay, so how does the body know what to do and when to do it? Well, meet the body's very own high-speed internet, the nervous tissue. This is the amazing messaging system that carries signals from your brain to your whole body and back again in just a flash.
This whole network is made of special cells called neurons. Just look at them. They have these long fibers that transmit messages at the speed of electricity. बिल्कुल high-speed internet cables की तरह.
And their number one job is simple but absolutely critical: transmitting messages. सोचो, अगर आपका हाथ गलती से किसी गर्म चीज को टच करता है, it's the nervous tissue that zips a pain signal to your brain, telling you to pull your hand away fast.
And now, for our last super team, the one that's always on the move. Let's talk about the superhighway, blood tissue. This is our body's delivery service and its army, all rolled into one amazing liquid.
Now, you might be surprised to hear this, but blood is actually considered a type of tissue. And as you can see, it's not just some red liquid. It's packed with different parts: red blood cells, white blood cells, these tiny things called platelets, and they're all floating in a liquid called plasma.
And listen, हर component का एक special job है. Plasma is the liquid highway that carries nutrients and everything else around. The red blood cells, they are like little delivery trucks for oxygen. White blood cells are our body's soldiers fighting off nasty germs. Or platelets, well, जब भी चोट लगती है, they rush to the spot and help the blood to clot, which stops the bleeding.
Whew. Okay, you have officially met our 4 amazing super teams. So how about a quick pop quiz to see what you remember? Are you ready? Let's do this. All right, first question for you. Which tissue makes the heart beat? Is it A, skeletal muscle, B, smooth muscle, C, cardiac muscle, or D, nerve tissue? Take a second and think about it.
Got your answer? And the correct answer is C, cardiac muscle. Awesome job if you got that one right. Remember, cardiac muscle is that super special tissue found only in the heart.
Okay, ready for the next one? Which component of blood helps in clotting? सोचो, जब चोट लगती है, what stops the bleeding? Is it A, RBC, B, WBC, C, platelets, or D, plasma?
And the correct answer is C, platelets. Excellent. These are our tiny first aiders, always ready to rush in and stop us from bleeding when we get hurt.
And that's our deep dive into animal tissues. But hey, I'll leave you with one final thought. We've seen that these tissues are like amazing super teams. But who's the coach? If tissues are the teams, what directs them all to work together so perfectly? Something to think about. Until next time, keep asking questions.